welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup today, but I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I just want you guys to watch while I try to hurry up and do my birthday makeup. So today's Saturday, my birthday is Monday. You guys will probably see this on Monday, I'm not sure yet, but just gonna be doing my makeup, get ready for lunch, and that's about it. See my hair partially done. It's not all the way done, but yeah, I'm just getting ready. So this is like a little quick get ready with me. I'll link everything down below that I use, and I'll also probably put them on the screen. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll come back at the end and show you guys my final look. I don't have a plan right now, but we're gonna figure it out. So keep on. Before we continue, make sure you are subscribed. Are you subscribed? Make sure you're subscribed right now. It is free. You just have to hit that red button right there that says subscribed. It will turn gray. Turn on the little bell beside it if you want to get all my notification so you never miss an episode or you never miss a video. So yeah, make sure you subscribe before we continue. All right, let's get started.
Pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I am off to my birthday dinner slash lunch slash dinner. This is the final look that I came up with. I hope you guys like it. Didn't do too much. I used the AINA palette for a pop of blue. I have a blue skirt on. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for the full outfit details. But yeah, this is a look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I know I didn't do a lot of talking. I just wanted you guys to enjoy the makeup. I use the same things over and over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave me a comment, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.